All right, this is part C. We're going to do part C, so we're not going to do this one. All right. At 10 seconds after launch, what are the position of the schnitzel and the velocity of the schnitzel in vector components? Ooh, write them both as proper component vectors. Ooh, hardcore. Okay, so from these, right, from previously, we know that the, let's find those. These components are 76.52 meters per second in the x direction, right, plus 51.614 meters per second in the y direction, right? Okay. So I feel like for this part C, we know this and this. We always know that and that, right? We know this and we know this. Okay. Do you know what they are? See if you can fill them in. You can pause it, right? All right. So 10 seconds, that's our time, right? This is 0 and negative 9.81. This is 76.520. And then our initial velocity is 51.614. Okay. And then all you have to do is find this, this, and this, right? So on this side, S is UT, is 76.520 times 10. And that, of course, is 765 meters, right? And then our S here is going to be, S is UT plus 1/2 AT squared. So S is equal to 51.614 times 10 plus 1/2 negative 9.81 times 10 squared. So I take that times 10 plus 0.5 times negative 9.81 times 10 squared. That's 25.63 0.35 meters. That's interesting. All right. It's about to hit the ground, right? Because it's only in the air 10.5 seconds, right? And then the final velocity is u plus at, right? So the final velocity is, so this guy is 25.635. V is going to be 51.614 plus negative 9.81 times 10. So let's see if we can do this. Let's grab that number. Boom. Minus 9.81 times 10. And that's negative 46.548. 486 meters per second, right? All right. Got to check my clock here. What time is it? Oh. All right. So now we have to write these as components, right? So the position is this, right? So I would say that it's 765 meters over plus 25.6 meters up, right? It's, by the way, about to hit the ground. In half a second, this thing's going to hit the ground. So this is my position. That's my position on the matter, right? And then the velocity is going to be these guys here. So it's 76.5 meters per second in the x direction plus negative 46.5 meters per second in the y direction. So these are proper component vectors, okay? You should write the x first, the y second. You need to write them this way, units x hat plus units y hat. You don't have to. My preference is that you say plus a negative when you have a negative component. But I probably won't take off points if you don't do that. Do you feel lucky, though? That's what I ask you, kid. Do you feel lucky? No, just kidding. I wouldn't take off points.